The Magic Wand tool is located in your Tools panel in Photoshop just below the Lasso tool. There are two options. If you press and hold, you can also find the Quick Selection tool. So let's take a look at what this can do. The Magic Wand tool is mainly used for saving time when you're trying to make quick selections. So let's look at how these shortcuts can work. If I want to select this triangle shape, I need to make sure that I have the correct layer selected. If I have a project with lots of layers, it can be kind of a pain to try to find. So a couple of quick ways to get access to the right layer is by clicking Control and then highlighting over the shapes to find the one I want, and then click on the object I want, and the panel will automatically highlight the layer that you are trying to work with. Then I'll click my Magic Wand tool and simply click the shape that I'm looking for. Remember, Control or Command D will deselect. Another shortcut is if you've got layers and you want to select everything in one layer. In this case, let's say it's the rectangle. What I'm going to do is instead I'm going to click Control and I'm just going to click in the space where the rectangle is on its own layer, and that will automatically select the shape in that layer. If I have a complex layer that has multiple shapes, there's a couple things you can do with your Magic Wand tool. So you can simply just sample the color, so it will select everything in this color range, or if I want to do this one. Say I've selected the ring and I want to also include the circle within. To add that, I'm going to click Shift and then select the color inside. So now I've highlighted everything inside of the circle. Say I wanted to select the inside of the circle and I wanted to select the square shape. What I'm going to do is select the square shape and again click Shift and add the middle. So let's say I've selected everything and this whole section is already highlighted. But what I want to do is eliminate the inside. What I'm going to do is click Alt, and then I'll select the section that I want to eliminate. So in this case I'm going to eliminate the dark blue. So now when I go to do anything in this layer, in this selection, it will eliminate the blue. The Quick Selection tool will sample colors, and let's take a look at how that works. So to make the Quick Selection tool larger or smaller, the shortcut is bracket. So if I want to make it larger, I'm going to do right bracket. And if I want to make it smaller, I'm going to do left bracket. And what you're going to do is just start sampling the areas that you want to go. Once you have a big enough selection, it will start to sample everything in that color range and spread out. And remember, what you can do is you can click Shift to add more. If you mess up, then you just can click Alt. And remember, the smaller your brush, the easier it'll be to get a better selection. And those are the basic tools for using the Magic Wand and Quick Selection tool.